Looking for the most reliable sport utility vehicles that experts truly stand by? In this video, we reveal 9 SUVs that professional mechanics personally recommend after years of real experience under the hood. These models are known for their durability, strong performance, and long-lasting value on the road. If you want a sport utility vehicle that saves money on repairs and delivers peace of mind, this list will help you make a smart choice for your next ride. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. Number 1. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a well-known luxury sport utility vehicle that combines comfort, strength, and long-lasting performance for drivers who want both style and reliability. This model has become a popular choice among families and individuals who enjoy a spacious interior along with advanced driving dynamics. It delivers smooth handling on city roads as well as confidence on highways, making it suitable for daily use and long trips. The design reflects a modern look with attention to detail inside and outside, ensuring every drive feels enjoyable. Drivers appreciate the Acura MDX for its balance of practicality and elegance, offering a ride that feels premium without losing everyday usability. The roomy cabin provides comfort for passengers along with flexible cargo space that supports travel, shopping, or family activities. The engine delivers dependable power while still maintaining efficiency for regular use. Built with high-quality engineering, the Acura MDX has earned trust for being a dependable companion that holds value over time. Whether traveling short distances or exploring long routes, the Acura MDX stands out as a versatile vehicle that supports different lifestyles. Its reputation continues to grow as one of the most trusted sport utility vehicles in its class. Number 2. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is a luxury sport utility vehicle that has built a strong reputation for refinement, comfort, and long-lasting quality. This model is designed to suit drivers who want a reliable option that blends elegance with everyday practicality. It provides a smooth driving experience on city streets as well as longer highway journeys, giving passengers a relaxed and enjoyable ride. The exterior design carries a bold and modern appearance, while the interior focuses on space and attention to detail that makes travel more pleasant. The Lexus RX appeals to families and individuals alike because it balances style with functionality. The roomy cabin offers generous space for seating and storage, making it suitable for daily errands or extended road trips. Its engineering is recognized for dependability, giving owners confidence in choosing a vehicle that will serve them well over time. With a focus on delivering steady performance, the Lexus RX continues to maintain popularity among those seeking a premium option in the sport utility vehicle market. From regular commutes to long journeys, the Lexus RX provides a combination of durability, comfort, and trusted reliability, making it a smart choice for anyone searching for a versatile and upscale vehicle. Number 3. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size sport utility vehicle that has gained attention for being practical, reliable, and versatile for a wide range of driving needs. It is often chosen by families as well as individuals who want a spacious vehicle that can handle both daily errands and long-distance journeys. The design of the Honda Pilot is modern and stylish, giving it a strong road presence while also offering comfort inside for passengers. With thoughtful engineering, this model ensures a steady and smooth driving experience across city streets and open highways. Owners value the Honda Pilot because it provides space, comfort, and dependability all in one package. The interior is designed with enough room for both passengers and storage, making it suitable for travel, shopping, or weekend adventures. Known for its balanced driving dynamics, the Honda Pilot performs well in different situations, delivering confidence and peace of mind to drivers. Its reputation for lasting quality has made it a trusted name among mid-size sport utility vehicles. Whether used for short commutes or extended road trips, the Honda Pilot offers the kind of reliability and practicality that many drivers seek, making it a dependable option within the sport utility vehicle category. Number 4. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a mid-size sport utility vehicle that has become a popular choice for drivers who want space, comfort, and a dependable ride. It is designed to meet the needs of families as well as individuals who prefer a vehicle that can handle both daily use and long trips with ease. The modern styling of the Kia Telluride gives it a bold appearance on the road, while the interior focuses on roominess and a pleasant driving environment for everyone inside. This sport utility vehicle has built a strong reputation for its ability to deliver a smooth driving experience on highways as well as city roads. The Kia Telluride provides a spacious cabin with flexible seating and storage options that make it convenient for travel, errands, or outdoor adventures. Its balanced performance and steady handling add to the confidence drivers feel when behind the wheel. With dependable engineering and thoughtful design, it continues to gain recognition as a trusted vehicle in its category. From everyday commutes to extended family trips, the Kia Telluride delivers a mix of style, comfort, and durability that many drivers look for when choosing a mid-size sport utility vehicle that fits both lifestyle and long-term value. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a compact sport utility vehicle that has become a favorite among drivers who want practicality, comfort, and lasting dependability. It is well suited for families, professionals, and individuals who need a vehicle that can handle daily commutes as well as longer road trips with ease. The stylish design of the Toyota RAV4 gives it a modern look on the road, while the interior offers a spacious and pleasant atmosphere for both driver and passengers. Many owners choose the Toyota RAV4 because it combines efficiency with versatility, making it a smart option for different lifestyles. The roomy cabin and flexible cargo area provide enough space for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear, which makes it convenient for a variety of activities. Its balanced driving capability ensures steady handling whether navigating through busy streets or cruising along highways. With strong reliability and thoughtful engineering, the Toyota RAV4 continues to hold a respected place in the compact sport utility vehicle category. From short urban drives to long travel routes, the Toyota RAV4 stands out as a vehicle that delivers durability, comfort, and everyday usefulness, giving drivers confidence in choosing a trusted and dependable companion. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact sport utility vehicle that has earned attention for its blend of style, reliability, and everyday practicality. It is often chosen by drivers who want a vehicle that feels refined while still being useful for both city driving and longer road journeys. The sleek design of the Mazda CX-5 gives it a modern appearance on the road, while the cabin is built to provide a comfortable and inviting space for everyone traveling inside. This model is known for offering a smooth driving experience that appeals to individuals and families alike. The interior is spacious enough to handle daily tasks such as shopping, commuting, or school runs, while also being suitable for weekend getaways and longer travel. Its steady performance on different roads makes it a trusted option for those who value dependability. With thoughtful engineering and lasting quality, the Mazda CX-5 continues to be a strong competitor in the compact sport utility vehicle segment. From quick urban routes to extended highway adventures, the Mazda CX-5 provides a balance of comfort, durability, and practicality. Its reputation as a reliable companion makes it a smart choice for people searching for a dependable compact sport utility vehicle. Number 7. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is a mid-sized sport utility vehicle that has become well known for its blend of practicality, strength, and long-lasting dependability. It is often chosen by drivers who want a vehicle that can handle both everyday commutes and long-distance travel with ease. The design of the Subaru Outback reflects a rugged, yet modern look, making it appealing to those who enjoy adventure, as well as those who prefer comfort on city roads. Inside, the cabin offers generous space for passengers and cargo, creating a pleasant atmosphere for travel. Many people value the Subaru Outback because it provides versatility that suits different lifestyles. It is suitable for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and individuals who require a dependable vehicle for both work and leisure. With steady handling and well-built engineering, the Subaru Outback delivers confidence on highways as well as country routes. Its balance of durability and comfort has helped it maintain a strong position among mid-sized sport utility vehicles. From quick errands to extended road trips, the Subaru Outback stands out as a trustworthy choice that supports daily needs and weekend adventures alike. Its consistent performance and reliable build. Number 8. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is a mid-sized luxury sport utility vehicle that is recognized for its strength, comfort, and dependable build quality. It is designed for drivers who want a vehicle that can manage daily commutes, while also being capable of handling longer journeys with ease. The exterior of the Lexus GX carries a bold and commanding appearance on the road, while the interior focuses on providing space and refinement that makes every trip enjoyable for passengers and driver alike. Families and individuals appreciate the Lexus GX because it offers a balance between practicality and elegance. The roomy cabin allows enough space for both seating and cargo, making it useful for errands, vacations, or weekend travel. With its well-engineered performance, the Lexus GX maintains steady handling across different conditions, giving confidence to anyone behind the wheel. Its reputation for long-lasting reliability makes it a trusted option among luxury sport utility vehicles. From short city drives to extended highway adventures, the Lexus GX remains a dependable choice that blends comfort, durability, and style. Its consistent performance and thoughtful design have helped it secure a strong place in the market as a reliable luxury vehicle for various lifestyles. Number 9. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a midsize sport utility vehicle that has gained recognition for its practicality, durability, and comfortable design. It is a strong option for families, as well as individuals who want a vehicle that works well for both city driving and longer highway travel. The exterior of the Toyota Highlander shows a stylish and modern look, while the cabin is designed with space and convenience in mind, creating a pleasant atmosphere for passengers on every trip. Drivers often choose the Toyota Highlander because it offers a mix of reliability and usability. The roomy interior provides seating and cargo flexibility, making it useful for errands, vacations, or daily commutes. Its dependable performance and smooth handling give drivers confidence in different situations, whether navigating crowded streets or enjoying open roads. Built with high-quality engineering, the Toyota Highlander has become a respected model within the midsize sport utility vehicle category. From short trips to extended journeys, the Toyota Highlander proves to be a versatile companion that balances strength, comfort, and efficiency. Its reputation for long-term dependability makes it a smart choice for those looking for a trustworthy sport utility vehicle that supports a variety of lifestyles and needs. Choosing the right sport utility vehicle can make a big difference in reliability, comfort, and long-term value. Many drivers search for models that stand strong on performance while keeping repair costs low. Expert insight from professionals who work with vehicles every day gives the best guidance for smart decisions. If you are looking for a dependable option that fits daily life as well as long trips, here is the complete list of 9 SUVs that mechanics personally recommend.